hey y'all, get ready with me to go fishing and going to Raising Cane's. Like, he literally just told me, so now I'm getting ready, but I don't even know what time we're going because I would have like looked good and like not do my hair in a braid and just leave it there. So now I have to like literally redo my hair because before I had my hair in a braid. So let's redo my hair real quick. Okay, I'm gonna do a ponytail, like a slick back, and then a braid. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah. So I'll see you guys after when I'm done doing my hair. So okay, I literally just finished my hair. It doesn't look that great, but good enough that it looks good. Time to put on some perfume. Don't mind that, but yeah. Put on a lot because we're going fishing, you know? Should I bring my Apple Watch? No, I'm not gonna do that. No. I'm going to wear my slides instead of my Adidas because I don't want them to get ruined. So let's put them back in their spot. And yeah, let me show y'all the fit. Okay, so let me show y'all. I'm gonna wear my Adidas slides. They're like blue and then they're white stripes. Anyway, got these jean shorts and then with like this t-shirt. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit of skincare though. So yeah, okay, all my skincare literally over here. So let's do this really fast. Okay, so first is my toner, but I don't know where it is. Right here, e.l.f. toner. I have no clue what time we're going, but they're packing right now. So yeah, let's hurry up. My Biome serum. I've never been in a rush like before. Oh my god, hurry up. Oh my god, I literally have to stand up and look at my mirror because it's easier. Let me turn on the light. Okay. So yeah, make sure you make this video to 1K likes because that would be the best. I just came back from the door using my e.l.f. moisturizer now. And tomorrow we have volleyball. Oh my god. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Get ready with me. I didn't even close the cap all the way. OMG. He's coming upstairs. Oh my gosh, my dad is already coming upstairs. Okay, that's all the skincare that I'm literally doing. Look how messy this is. I literally have to clean this up to put on my summer Fridays. Oh dear, okay. I'm literally running out of time right now. Yeah, I guess I'm using my pink sugar. Okay, yeah. Summer Fridays. I think we're done. So yeah, peace out.